Cek 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 1 2 3 cek cek cek. Ini kalau sampai error lagi udahlah, cok. Kemarin sampai nggak tahu sampai mana sih, lupa. Apa aja anjir, lupa. Setting, kontrol, interaksi, oke, spasi, save, lari, menu K, kamera Q, tas B, map M, back, K. Oh, ini task. I'm dirty and things to do. Aku haus. Dan apa sih bloodstain, pendarahan ya? I should was mandi. Oh udah cu, udah mandi anjir. Ini apa? Mommy took my tarot cards, Nanny and I used to play with them when I was little. Find the tarot cards. They must be hidden, but who knows where? I could start by looking my parents' room. Kamar bokap nyokap.
I'm already dressed.
Udah. Ngelek, Cok. Apa sih? Udah nggak ada kan?
I'm already dressed.
Udah. Ini apa? Nggak ada. Kamar bokap nyokap.
Following the dramatic news from the countryside, Archbishop Toccarelli will protest with the French in the city for the raping being committed by invading troops. New ordinance for the safety of citizens.
General
From this
Edict
moment on,
K.
it is
New
forbidden
rules
for
on
anyone to
curfew
leave
and
their
women's
homes
behavior.
and walk
German
the streets
command of
San
S. Vincenzo
Cassiano.
Artori.
All windows,
Telephone number
including cellars, house
1185.
entrances,
Okay.
and doorways must remain closed night and day. The population
The
are
radio
advised
needs to be
stay in
kept
their
on at all
cells,
times these
or,
days.
where these
It
do
can
not
save your
exist,
life knowing things on
churches
time,
and other
especially
large
before they
buildings.
happen.
The patrols of German armed forces have orders to shoot at people who are on the street, or who are found looking out of their windows. I shall repeat for clarity. New ordinance for the safety of citizens. From this moment on, it is forbidden for anyone to leave their homes and walk the streets of San Cassiano. All windows, including cellars, house entrances, and doorways, must remain closed night and day.
Cari teret.
Are advised to stay in their cells, or, where these do not exist, churches and other large buildings. The patrols of German armed forces have orders to shoot at people who are on the street, or who are found looking out of their windows.
Dear Mother, this is hard, but I have something to tell you. I found out
Oh,
that
nice.
Julia is pregnant.
Oke.
Go to the lake tomorrow morning at 7 and watch her as she bathes. You'll see that her tummy is growing. Martha. What? I'm not pregnant.
Oke.
Why is everything becoming even more confusing? I'm searching for an explanation, but instead I'm left with more questions.
Ini apa?
Romola, 15th of July 1944. Dear Mrs. Irene, I'm writing to let you know that all is well here at the villa. Thank you for being so considerate and caring. I apologize for the simplicity of the housing you were forced to live in. I also locked the room where the little one used to stay as requested. I've left you the key. It is the one with the pink keyring.
Oke.
Try to stay safe. Best regards, Nanny. Why on earth did Mummy have that door locked? It was my room. What is she trying to hide?
Oke, ada ruangan yang diumpetin.
I feel like these pills do nothing other than agitate her. Here are my cards. Nanny and I always used to play with them. She would predict my future and I pretended to predict hers.
Oke,
Future is
kartu.
always good for everyone. Maybe when she read them, she saw my true future, which she hid from me. Or more likely, these cards are actually just a stupid game to reassure and deceive oneself with. But deceiving oneself is sometimes necessary. How can we live happily otherwise?
Apa itu, Cuk? Ngeri kali suaranya. Oke, nothing.
There are more and more weapons around, and everyone is scared after what happened.
Senjata.
This is Mummy's jewellery. She wears them every day, even though Daddy says it's impractical and dangerous to show signs of wealth these days. As usual, she doesn't want to listen to reason and ends up arguing with Daddy until he goes to play war, as she says.
Oke. Udah. Banyak lagi tasknya. Satu aja belum selesai. Develop film. Terkunci. Apa ini?
The Superior Commander of the German Federal Armed Forces announces 1. Whoever is in possession of weapons or explosives not reported to the German headquarters will be shot. 2. Whoever harbors bandits and or protects them and provides them with clothing and or weapons will be shot.
Oke.
3. Whoever is aware of the existence of any rebel groups or even lone rebels without reporting them will be shot.
Oke. Close. What's next? Kita coba grafiknya kita naikin. Shadow tetap low lah. Medium. Apakah nge-lag? Sedikit nge-lag. Coba kita hike. Ya better lah, walaupun patah-patah dikit. Apa ini ya? Cuci film. Ini apa? Why have they locked my child room? Find the key. In the letter, Nanny does not say where the live key. They have a pink keyring attached to them. Dikasih tahu. A strange note iPhone. The message reads, "Dear mother, this hurts, but I have something to tell you. I have found that Julia is pregnant." Terlalu banyak taksnya. Martha always read the newspaper. I have to do the same as her, so no one will get the suspicious. Apa? Baca lagi. Udah kan?
Italian workers in Germany. The following rules are in place for workers who voluntarily work in Germany. A commitment of a maximum period of 1 year before returning to Italy.
Oke.
The Superior Commander of the German
ini yang
Federal
tadi
Armed
awal.
Forces announces 1. Whoever is in possession of weapons or explosives not reported to the German headquarters will be shot. 2. Whoever harbors
Stop. Ini
war rages on the Eastern Front, an attack launched by the Soviets after hours of cannonade. The fight on this front has been going on for a long time.
Nah, tentang
Fighting
perang
in Normandy,
masih
victorious
sama.
Allied counterattack on the road from Perriers to Carentan. Pont Heber reconquered north of Saint-Lô. Many US losses caused by the flying bomb action.
Oke, close. Apa? Develop film. Kamera. New skin. Oh ya? Oh ini turret. Pilih satu. Temperance, the stars. The hermit.
Solution is still far away. I must be patient and wise. But luck is not on my side, unfortunately.
Apa tadi? Skin. Apa sih? Apa? Apa nih? Oh, alat baru, cowok.
A lens and a roll of infrared film. They can
Okay.
photograph what the naked eye cannot see.
Oke. Film infrared. Apa anjir? Oh,
Rain
ambil.
filter. When there is fog, it improves the image by giving it some contrast.
Oke.
With this lens, I can shoot very close up. Red
Okay.
filter for super high contrast photos. Blue
Oke.
filter, ideal for indoor photos. With
Okay.
this lens, everything gets bigger. This lens increases the framed area. It allows me to fit more into the image.
The Hangman Collection Camera New Accessories. Oke. What's new? Apa ini?
I have to be careful and keep the volume down as I listen. I must go unnoticed.
Emang dapat
I
apa
am
sih?
deaf after all.
Ready? Julia? You ready?
Sure, Daddy. I'm good to start.
I've already started recording.
Oh, no, my voice will sound awful.
No way, come on. Didn't you want to study singing anyway?
No, I was young and stupid when I said that.
Okay. Ready?
Go. Oh, how nice. It's the rehearsal for last week's concert. I never heard the recording. But
Oke.
I was right, my voice is awful. Cannot be called singing. Anyway, it's time I develop these film roles. I can't wait any longer. I wish I could just stop time.
Apa ini? Musik kah? Anjing, serem, cio. The fuck? Please dong, jangan ada jumpscare.
These images could change everything. I cannot bear the fact that I may have hurt Martha. I would rather die. Damn my head and these memory lapses. It's such a pain not remembering. It's like getting lost inside yourself.
Pilih foto. Apa anjir? Choose your kayak ini lah. Apa sih, gue lupa. Oh, ini geser kertas. Ini fokus. Oke. Hmm, mm, mm, mm. Develop dulu. Oke, 1, 2, 3. Angkat.
Here I was running toward the pier. Just
Okay.
to remember.
Kenapa musiknya seperti ini? Serem banget, anjir. Oke. Ntar ini putih semua, anjir. Apa sih? Oh, anjir, ini nurunin exposure. Enggak, ini ganti gambar. Goblok, motretnya overexpose, anjir. Ah, ini cuy. Oke. Nyender dulu lah. Oke, angkat.
I'm carrying Martha to shore. I'm trying to save her. My memories, although fuzzy, do match reality. I feel a little better. Now I can find out who really hurt Martha. Maybe I should meet with the White Lady. She might be able to tell me something. Is this crazy talk? Yes, definitely. But what's normal about any of this? Maybe you have to be a little crazy to get anything done.
Oke. Sekarang apa? The spirit of White Lady live. Okay, Nanny always told me her story before going to sleep. Oke. Yang ini sudah. Ini siapa nih yang nonton? Ngomong kek. Diam-diam baik. Gue juga jadi fokus banget kan main gamenya. Bicycle. Selfie dulu guys. Salah. Coba lagi. Udah overexpose semua lagi. Ini apa?
Yes, I'm dressed and I'm about to dive in. This matches my memory.
Oke. Sekarang apa? Selfie. Cing, kaget sialan.
A tripod is necessary to take photos with long exposures. I have found what I need to take infrared photos.
Apaan? They say that taking photos of people steals their soul. Wah, foto mayat, guys ya. Properly expose. F gelap. Tuh apa sih? Distant terlalu jauh. Oke.
Dan, it would be nice to have you always by my side, even if it's just a picture.
What's next? Baca koran udah, Cok. Apalagi nih? Ngomong dong ente, nonton doang. Go to the lake. Ini di newspaper apa sih? Map. Hold space to Anjir, nggak ada markingnya lagi, sialan. Kita belum explore ke sini nih. Anjing, melek. Males sebenernya. Mungkin sampai sini dulu lah. Gue juga cuma mau ngetes doang sebenernya. Thank you. Ini ada save-nya nggak? Save. Oh, ini auto save. Kita save deh, kita lagi di sini. Thank you guys yang udah nonton. Gue juga jujur sebenarnya nggak mau nge-live. Cuma nge-test stream aja nih, dari kemarin komputer gue error kalau main GTA RP. Oke, sebagai penutupan kita main GTA RP. Kita coba ya, apakah akan terputus lagi streamnya. 5M sebagai penutupan stream yang random ini. Nih seriusan nih, nonton diem-diem aja, ngomong kayak ngomong. Sebagai penutupan kita tes main 5M. Apakah langsung disconnect stream ini? Ya. Wah, tadi udah patah-patah anjir, kirain gua streamnya keputus. Oke, masih aman. Kita coba guys, bermain 5M. Kita kemana nih? Karena main 5M, facecamnya kita umpetin. Dah. Sini juga. Kita cek apakah akan terputus koneksinya.